I'm shooting with the Cinco microphone, and I increased it all the way up to 10 dB. I shouldn't be doing that, but maybe that'll give me a little bit more of audio to edit when I can see on. You got it, Magic's 2023. Let's go out for a bike ride. Oh man, let me try to increase the height of you. Maybe that's a little bit better. Oh yeah. I don't have to yell to the camera. But let me tell you something. I do miss the DJI. I do miss the DJI M2. I really do. Oh, hear the wind? Put my hand here. I want to give a shout out to a number of people. Bigo! You got it, buddy. Spot on. I don't have to tell you what it was, but you already know. And exactly that, my friend. Steve WB, oh yeah. The Fuel MX5, no, it's not dead. I'm not sure what's happening. Love that microphone. Man, let me tell you, probably one of the best mics I want. But I do want to get a better one that I can see the actual front when I'm, vlogging with the camera. And let me tell you, I wanted to go buy one, again, just the receiver alone, and maybe modify it and switch it around. But they're all sold out, or they never sold one. And my gig user. You bet. That face tracking video I'm going to be watching. And yeah, I'm interested in face tracking. Oh yeah. I did one this morning where I just basically put the camera, but I didn't walk around far enough to really show. We could do face tracking with the Osmo Action 4 with keyframing. And yeah, just crop in a little and move around a little. Nothing really different on that, right? And last but least, Ohio Fred. Ohio Fred, I hope you're enjoying your camera. So let's get on out here and go have some fun riding. The weather's going to get colder, going to get nasty. The sun's going away, and we're going to have rain. It's also going to get warmer. Yes, indeed. Might as well just go enjoy a little fun. I'm going to head on down, see what the beach looks like right now. Oh, yeah. All right, continue on where I need to be at. We'll get there slowly. No rush to get where I need to be, right? Like I said, I wish I had a swivel so I could spin this. My only gripe with this microphone and the DJI is the internal to external. It doesn't sync up perfectly, meaning that you hear the internal click to the external and there's a difference in the sound quality. I remember doing videos getting close up to the seagulls, and you got it, they were flying off. Look at it, all lined up. Chase them off the pole. Well, this is the boardwalk that you go over planks. Pretty smooth indeed, isn't it? We'll make our turn. Right on down. Clamp down. It's going to just slide down. And that's the problem with these double clamp Moto Vlog, Moto Wolf, whoever they are. You really got to make a little crank down. Sometimes you may not do it strong enough and you're weakly on it. Sometimes you really tighten it down and you don't know the strength of doing it. A speed bump right now. Oh, did that jog your, little bump? Did it shake you a little? Not really. As I make my turn, you can see the church that I'm pointing to. They're kind of like finished. Everything's open, did a nice job. There you go. I'm at the beach. It's not warm. I got the breeze, and the breeze is, pushing me, pulling me. Be where we need to be at any second now. Maybe I'll turn you around. Maybe I'll put you in my hand. Again, I know you like different types of holding. Bicycle, tripod in hand, all that good stuff, right? Right down to the end, to the water. You get to see, yeah, the wind is kicking. How is the mic doing? Got noise canceling on, most likely. I didn't change anything. Just enjoy, and we'll get on out of here because it's a little too cold and too breezy. Oh yeah. Go into the wind. Into the wind, my friend. Don't film into the wind. It'll damage your lens and muffle your sound. Oh yeah, man. That wind is kicking me in my ears to you. I'm blocking that wind. I'm getting on out of here. I'm calling it a day. At least I got some footage. And yeah, I may just put it back on the bike or just ride in hand. We'll see. I'm not sure which I love best, on the bike or in hand. Let's get on out of here. As soon as I move, he moves. Oh yeah. Let's see where we're going. Let's get on going. Oh, the wind is less. Rotate the camera. I have trouble rotating my camera counterclockwise, man. But I get it to clockwise. Oh, it acts as a rear view mirror. Yes, indeed. Let's get on going. They're following me, coming out my way. I got to get on going. Run from the police. They're going to catch up to me sooner or later. They want to say, hey, Fish, you got me on film. Now, that's so much better. The wind is not on me, not hitting me. I don't feel it. It's a better way to ride. I like holding my camera in hand. I'm hands-free. Yeah. I got my exercise. I got my fun. Time to get on out of here before this traffic gets going. And on that note, let's get on going. Man, that's a nice piece of furniture. 2 pieces right there. Oh yeah. Oh, the pigeons are coming on my trail. I found my phone holder. There it is. Good in its place. Look, a traffic jam. I'm going to be the lucky one that could go around. Oh yeah, man. I don't get it. Let's just go around. Gotta go on the sidewalk because they block it all trying to pass. Well, I said a lot, did a lot, talked a lot, shared a lot, showed a lot. Got a lot of wind. Got a lot of schmack. Oh, man. Sit on the corner and do that all day. Let's get on out of here. Go have some fun. Do some cutting, do some editing, and get it all done. I'm Fish. I know where I am. Have a great day. Catch you on many other videos to come.